So you might be in a situation where your Nintendo Switch 2 is just not charging. Now, what does this mean? Well, basically, maybe you have gone through and you have some sort of charger for your Nintendo Switch 2, like this one. But whenever you go through and try plugging it in, your Nintendo Switch 2 just isn't charging whatsoever. Now, the very first thing I'd recommend doing is to double check the charger. So take a good close look at the charger and make sure the charger is not having any issues. You can try making sure that both sides of the chargers are plugged in, like this side and that side, and all that. Make sure there's enough power in it, because if this is a very slow charger, it can take a while for your Nintendo Switch 2 to charge up. Now, with your Switch 2, you can have it try to charge at the bottom, so plug it into the bottom and let it charge up. But if for some reason that charger at the bottom isn't working or nothing's being discovered, you also have another charger port at the top. So try going through and plugging it into either one of these particular ports. Both of them will basically end up working fine. So you can charge them both via that way, and you want to go and see if that ends up fixing the problem. For some people, just by switching the port, that might end up working. Maybe you're having one port that's not working out that well and you have to switch it up. So that is another big thing I recommend kind of looking at as well. Now, if that still is not working, the next thing I'd recommend doing is to switch out the charger. The charger sometimes can be the issue, so try plugging in a different charger, and I would probably tell you for a lot of people that very well could end up fixing it probably for you. So in terms of that kind of covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.